From the icy depths of the ocean strait onto commercial fishing boats, millions of dollars in live lobster are harvested every single day. Inside multi-million-dollar processing plants, steam, science, and master craftsmanship transform raw catch into gourmet perfection ready for luxury dining worldwide. Watch how it's done.
Welcome to our maritime journey, where we uncover the fascinating world of lobster processing and marketing. Today, we will take you behind the scenes of a lobster factory to witness the intricate process. We will see the process that transforms these marine gems into delicacies for your table. So, let's dive in and see how lobsters make their way from the ocean to your plate. The first step in commercial lobster fishing is setting traps, strategically placed on the ocean floor. Each trap is designed to attract lobsters with bait, usually fish heads or other seafood. Once the traps are set, the fishermen wait for a specific period before retrieving them.
This waiting period allows the lobsters to be drawn to the bait and enter the traps.
Lobsters are then collected by workers from the traps, ready for the next stage of the journey. To ensure the sustainability of the fishery, strict size regulations are followed by the crew. Any undersized or female lobsters with eggs are tagged and safely returned to the ocean. Once the legal lobsters are picked, they are placed in special tanks on the ship. Finally, back in port, the catch is carefully unloaded for transport to the factory. Inside the factory, the lobsters are prepared for the boiling chamber to ensure they are cooked thoroughly. The boiling chamber in the factory ensures that each lobster is cooked thoroughly, resulting in their demise.
This process not only removes the salinity from their bodies, but also eliminates any potential germs.
After cooking, the lobsters are placed in cold water to stop the cooking process immediately. Then, skilled workers remove the shells to reveal that juicy meat inside. Watch how these workers use their skilled hands to separate each part of the lobster.
First, they declaw the lobster and then remove the shell to reveal the succulent meat within.
Skilled workers remove the meat from the base of the claws, ensuring no meat is wasted. Lobster tails come in various sizes, and sorting them ensures that customers receive consistent products. A worker neatly fills lobster tail parts into a paper container for further processing. To maintain maximum freshness, the lobster tails are flash frozen.
This rapid freezing process locks in the natural flavors, ensuring a premium product with a long shelf life.
After that, the upper part of these paper containers is well attached by the workers. After cooking, the lobsters are placed in cold water to stop the cooking process immediately. Frozen lobster tails are individually wrapped to prevent freezer burn and to preserve taste and texture. Individually wrapped frozen lobster tails can vary in weight, usually ranging from 85 to 283 grams per tail. On the other hand, lobster claws are manually packed in polyethylene bags by workers. So that there is no variation in weight, they use weight machines in this case. Then these packages are inserted into the vacuum machine to remove the air inside. Once the air is removed, the vacuum-sealed packets are ready for distribution to customers. Maintaining the product's integrity until it reaches its destination is a priority. Now, Let's show how the living lobsters are packed in the factory. Immediately, the temperature of the lobsters is measured to understand whether they are clean and alive. Next, these live lobsters are taken to the grading line, where they are automatically separated according to size. After being separated, the lobsters are carefully inspected for any signs of damage or disease. Lobsters are filled in containers with ice packs on them to keep them fresh for a long time. These containers are then stacked and stored in a controlled environment until they are ready to be shipped.
In 2021, Canada, UAE, the US, Ireland, and Denmark emerged as top exporters of the global lobster market.
Canada's export value reached $536 million, followed by the UAE's $11.4 million.
The US also contributed significantly, securing $289 million in export revenue. The UAE's growing presence in the market demonstrates its growing interest in meeting global lobster demand. Subscribe now to continue exploring the wonders of the culinary world. Thank you for joining us on this immersive journey of lobster processing in a factory. With every delicious bite, remember the dedication, expertise, and ethical practices that contribute to the rich flavors. Until our next adventure, stay curious and savor the delights of the sea.